Wood.
Anybody can do it.
The window broke.
Can you put the car in park?
Here's the park.
So the reason I stopped you is because the plate's expired on the car. Yeah.
I'm just coming from work.
Oh yeah? Is this your car?
No, it's my girlfriend. I live down the street.
Do you have your license with you and
No.
registration?
I don't have my license.
Nothing? Alright. Is your girlfriend's car?
Yeah, she down the street. She got her license.
Where at? Okay.
Literally, I'm just coming from work.
Where do you work at?
Literally.
Okay. What I gotta have you do is just hop out for me real quick, man, just because you don't have your license on you, okay? No.
Still westbound on Wood, Blackmount Drive. And he's 10-15 into the grass, north on Lawrence. He's in the grass, jumping back down northbound. Dreads? Dreads. 20? Short dreads. Hat. Headed to 10 mile. Black male, Indian Bill dreads. Taxi to smoke arms. Whoever's blocking up there. Center line's blocking. It's up in the grass. Just parallel. All right, we got the lead again from center line. He's jumping through the grass just south of 10 and east on Lawrence. Somebody go to Sherwood and 10 mile for me. All right, we're by that apartment complex just east of Sherwood, coming out to 10. All right, west on 10. You're good, clear, sorry.
Yep. Approaching Sherwood.
Through Sherwood. All right, who's ever on Mountain Block for us? Give him some roll.
Yep.
Traffic holding. Through Mountain. Speed's 80 coming up to Tony Ryan. Alright, approaching Ryan. Center lane. Speed's 100. Just give me a second. Alright, he's slowing for Ryan. It's a red.
Oh, fuck.
1050 into a box truck. He's underneath the box truck. Airbags deployed. Let's shut this intersection down.